Hey guys, Dr. Rob here today. I wanted to welcome you to another one of my whiteboard session. We're going to start the new year off talking about a really important topic that could reduce your risk of cancer, reduce your risk of obesity, reduce your risk of heart disease, and really most diseases. And that process is a process your body can do every day called autophagy. Now, some of you might have heard about this. I want to explain it a little more in detail, and I'm going to break this topic down into multiple segments so you can really understand what this is, how to induce it in your body, and what group of people should induce it and what group of people shouldn't. So first off, autophagy. Auto means self, right? Phagy means to eat. So autophagy or autophagy is a process by which your body eats itself. Now, your body's not becoming a cannibal, and you're not going to become a cannibal and eat other people or try to eat yourself. But what this process is, it's the process by which your body gets rid of what are called senescent cells. Senescent cells are dying cells in your body that have the potential to cause disease. So this is your body's way of kind of auto-cleaning itself. It gets rid of these dead and dying cells that have the potential to cause disease. So first off, these dying cells, senescent cells, they release chemicals, these inflammatory substances called inflammatory cytokines that increase your chances of having different diseases. One of the things that these compounds do, these dying cells like this, when they release these compounds actually have the ability to kill off neighboring cells. So the neighboring cells can start to die. In addition to that, these compounds, they are inflammatory. So what does that mean for weight loss? Well, what does inflammation do to the body? Inflammation increases one of the most powerful fat-storing hormones in your body called cortisol. Cortisol also interferes with thyroid hormone production. It also has the ability to elevate insulin, another powerful fat-storing hormone in your body. It's a stress hormone. It can interfere with your sleep, make you more irritable and agitated, create a whole bunch of issues for you when it's in excess. So inflammation in your body elevates cortisol because cortisol is the most powerful anti-inflammatory hormone your body makes. So when there's too much inflammation floating around in your system, your body then wants to elevate cortisol to deal with that inflammation. So when we help to increase autophagy in the body, what we're doing is we're helping the body to get rid of these senescent cells. So we go, senescent cell, see you later, you're out of here. The senescent cell goes away, all the chemicals and compounds go away, which basically means the neighboring cells stay healthier, and we get to reduce inflammation in our body and reduce cortisol. And there are some key nutritional supplements that you could use, that you could buy over the counter for the most part. There's also some key ways you could eat to help improve your capacity to do autophagy. However, there's certain groups of people that should not do this because it could be very detrimental to their health. So in the future segments, I'm going to be talking about this, but today I wanted to cover what this concept is because it's a really important one. So I hope you liked the information I went over today. If you did, please share and subscribe. If you do have a health or weight problem that you're dealing with and you need help with, please go ahead. I'm going to put a link right down here or right up here on the screen somewhere to my free online weight loss and health evaluation. That's a great tool that we use in our facility to help identify, or at least move us in the direction of identifying the main underlying cause or reason why a person is struggling with their health or weight problem. And then from there, we give you a free consultation to review the results of that and explain more as to how we can help. So if you need some help, please reach out to me. I've been doing this for 21 years. I would be happy to help you, happy to have my team help you. So let's start this new year off great. Let's get our body into autophagy if we're supposed to, and I'll see you at the next whiteboard session.